So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, if you already signed up for Uber and you forgot to use a referral code, you didn't know anybody, or you didn't watch our videos, and if you already signed up for Uber, maybe you just signed up, or maybe you signed up a while ago and you never did use a referral code, you can still get your bonus. You can still get your referral bonus. I know a lot of people don't know that, or when I tell them, they're like, wow, then I had no idea. And right now, guys, because of everything that's going on, it is better time than ever to sign up or to apply the referral code. It literally is 8 steps. The instructions are down below. It's super easy. We don't need any of your info. You just apply our info. Again, it's super easy. This is the Rideshare Hub. Take advantage of this. It could be $1,000, could be $1,500. It might only be $100, but still, I could use that money right now, and I'm sure you can too. So go ahead. It's the sign up bonus for Uber. The instructions are down below. It's super easy, super simple. Okay, I just wanted to tell you guys. Now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan, and thank you so much for coming by. This is a place for Uber and Lyft drivers to learn how to make more money. So what are we talking about today? We're talking about Amazon and Walmart are looking to hire Uber and Lyft drivers who need extra work. Why are they doing that? Well, it is quite simple. I mean, you hear on the news and in the media that, and even on here, that, you know, people are losing their jobs, and you might talk to anybody, and people are working from home, and a lot of gig workers are out of jobs. But if you think about it, think outside the box. What's going on in the world right now, right? There's a huge shift in the economy. A lot of people are out of jobs. A lot of people aren't spending money. But what are people doing right now? They are ordering stuff on the internet. So where are they ordering those things from? Amazon. Amazon, guys, I just heard, what's it called? I just heard, guys, that, sorry, I just got a text. I just heard, guys, sorry, I can't even talk. I just ordered something on Amazon the other day. Well, I've been ordering stuff all week. I ordered a bunch of immune system vitamins and immune boosters, and basically I'm trying to, I know it's not a cure, obviously, but I feel like if I can position myself to be above average in this position, if I can be healthy, if I can have my immune system up, if I can keep up my daily exercise, and if I can stay extremely hydrated and use hand sanitizer, wash my hands frequently, if I can follow all the protocols and be, I guess, above average, then I feel like I would have just a little bit, even if it's just a slightly better chance of, you know, surviving this and, you know, surpassing this time that we're in, then it's worth it, you know, even if it's going to cost me a little bit of extra money. So again, I ordered a bunch of different immune system vitamins. I can go through them if you guys are interested really quickly before I get into this, because I do think it is important, and I do want to know what you guys are taking as well. Let's see. I mean, I could just go through my Amazon order list if you guys, I mean, I feel like nobody else really does that. Well, no, I think it's going to show my address, but here we go. This is the stuff that I've been taking. I'll just put a screenshot up here. So this is the advice that I got, and it's called sugar-free elderberry syrup, zinc, copper, echinacea golden seal. I'm taking vitamin C, vitamin D as well, and I'm taking quercetin as well, quercetin, and I'm taking these things basically to keep my immune system strong. So, because the thing about what happens is that attacks your immune system. Either way, I'm not a medical professional. This is just what I'm doing. So I'm sorry if you guys are not interested in that. That's just, I'm genuinely curious on what you guys are taking, and I feel like it would, you know, obviously take my perspective with a grain of salt. Like, I'm not a doctor. Talk to your doctor if you want. I'm just sharing my advice like a forum, because this is YouTube. I feel, yeah, I don't want to say I feel bad sharing that, because like, I don't want to tell you guys what to take, but like, that's what I'm taking. So now you guys know what I'm taking. And then I'm obviously eating tons of vegetables right now, and protein, other supplements like B12, just to keep my mental up and keep myself energized. Oh, I'm also going out in the sun. I'm spending a lot of time in the sun. I have heard from medical professionals that spending time in the sun is really, really good because the virus does not perform well in the heat. So if you're in an area where there is a lot of sun, spend time out in the sun. And also being in the sun helps your immune system a lot. So I'm actually currently sunburned, so I can't even go out. I'm gonna go out maybe for 30 minutes max. Okay, sorry, my camera died, and now it's literally hours later because I had to charge my camera. And I couldn't find my other batteries, my backup batteries. But here we go, guys. I'm gonna get started with the video now. I'm gonna sync up my phone here so you guys can look along with me. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Where are my video notes at? Okay, here we go. Amazon and Walmart. I was like, what are we even filming today? Okay. Amazon and Walmart look to hire Uber and Lyft drivers who need extra work. I'm gonna click it in 1, 2, 3. There we go, this is Business Insider. Amazon and Walmart are ramping up hiring to add 250,000 new jobs. Wow, I'm very close to the camera. Here's how you can apply and whether you can expect an interview. Here we go, Amazon and Walmart. So yeah, what I was talking about before is that Amazon and Walmart are hiring people because their demand is so high because tons and tons of people are ordering. And still going into shopping because they're still open. Yeah, they're having surging consumer demand. Oh, here we go. Business Insider has compiled a guide to the new roles offered at each company and how to apply. So here you guys go. Here, if you don't have a job right now and you're looking for one, here's your opportunity. Don't say treat this as an open door, a door for you to open. Now you just have to open it. See what I did there? Amazon and Walmart are launching immediate hiring sprees to address surging consumer demand stemming from blah blah blah. I can't say that word, or else I get demonetized. Amazon said it plans to hire 100,000 U.S. warehouse and delivery workers, while Walmart aims to add 150,000 new employees through the end of May to work in stores, clubs, not nightclubs, normal clubs, distribution centers, and fulfillment centers. The Walmart roles will initially be temporary, but many will convert to permanent roles over time, the company said. So if you just need a job to get through these couple months to get through, and then you want to go back to pursuing music or pursuing acting or pursuing Uber and Lyft, you can just do it temporarily. And then if you decide later on, you want to stay, then there's an opportunity for that. So here we go. Where am I at here? Okay, Amazon is staffing up in 3 main categories: warehouses, shoppers, and delivery drivers. Here's a breakdown of the 3 categories where Amazon is focusing its hiring. Warehouse, oh yeah, here we go. So if you want to work in the warehouse at Amazon, here's what you're gonna do. These positions are stationed at Amazon fulfillment centers, sort centers, and delivery stations. So if you don't know how Amazon does it, I'm an insider, I know how it works. Essentially, Amazon has a bunch of fulfillment centers. They don't have one major place. So when you buy something and it shows up the next day or even the same day, it's because that item that you bought was at a fulfillment center right near you. So it gets shipped out really quickly. And they're very, very, very smart. And they already ship out products to you before you buy them. I know that sounds crazy, but let's say you buy a toothbrush on Amazon. Well, maybe not toothbrush. Let's say you buy, let's say you buy body wash. That's a good example. So let's say you buy body wash. After you use the body wash, say you leave a 5-star review, or you don't even review it, but you just, you buy the product and use it. Well, they're gonna send out another one to an Amazon store or Amazon fulfillment center near you. So, because you're more than likely gonna buy another one in a month or 2 when you run out of body wash. So that way when you buy it, it shows up the next day or the same day because it's like right near you. So anyways, they have all these fulfillment centers, sort centers, delivery stations. The role services regular Amazon orders as well as Prime Now, Prime Pantry, Amazon Fresh. Employees in these roles are generally responsible for selecting, packing, and sorting customer orders. These roles will pay $70 per hour, at least, guys. So there you go. That's $17 an hour. I mean, let's do some quick, simple math. What's 17 times $40 an hour, or 40 hours a week? You're looking at $680 a week times that by 52, right? 35,000 bucks a year, at least. That's at least. So let's say, you know, you're making 40 grand a year. Let's say you find a job and, you know, they're making 18 or 19 bucks an hour. Making 40,000 a year, let's divide that by 12. That's $3,333 per month. So that's definitely enough to get you by for the next couple months. Shoppers, these employees work flexible hours, picking and packing grocery orders at Whole Foods. The roles will pay at least 70 bucks per hour through April. Again, that's another, what? At least we're talking 35,000 a year. Delivery drivers, these workers deliver packages to homes and businesses. No special licenses needed for this work. There you go. No license at all, guys. Uber and Lyft drivers are welcome to apply. Employees can work full-time for a third-party courier company or Amazon delivery service partner and drive a company van. So you don't even need to use your own car, guys. This is like an Uber driver's dream come true. You don't have to put miles on your own car. You get to work use their own van, because you're gonna be packing that thing to the brim, and just, you'll probably get like one huge, like you'll probably have a van, and if you're a driver, like you'll probably have people packing up your car for you, or you'll probably help with them. Just load up a van and then you just drive around, drop off packages. I mean, it's pretty simple, pretty easy stuff. Otherwise, they can work part-time as an Amazon Flex driver and use their own vehicles to make deliveries. So if you do want to work the super part-time, you can do Amazon Flex, but you're gonna have to use your own car. I myself would probably prefer, like if I was in this position, I would probably just prefer to work for Amazon as an employee and use an Amazon van. Like, that way I'm not having to use my car. I could fit a bunch of stuff in here. Actually, you can see right here, I have 2 big computer chairs in here, but at the same time, I would have to be going back and forth with a huge van. Oh yeah, I was saying, you're probably only going back to the warehouse maybe once or twice a day, maybe 2-3 times tops. You know, you can get fit a lot of stuff in there. Here we go. Amazon's hiring process from submitting an application to starting work can take as little as 7 days and involves no resumes or interviews. Oh my gosh, wow. No resumes or interviews, because they need that many people. Online applications. Here we go, guys. Candidates must submit an application, pick an available shift, and schedule a new hire appointment. This process takes about an hour, according to the company. New hire appointment. At the new hire appointment, employees must provide proof of their identities. Once it's done, the hiring process is complete. There's no interview for hourly employees. Wow, that's insane. Orientation. Once the hiring process is done, employees are enrolled in orientation where they will hear from senior leaders and get a photo. That's crazy. No resume or previous work experience is required. And you can make 70 bucks an hour, guys. This is awesome. I honestly want to say doing Amazon might be your best opportunity right now if you're a gig worker. Here we go. As Walmart ramps up its staff, it plans to speed up hiring for key roles, including cashiers and stockers, by cutting the application process from an average of 2 weeks to 24 hours. So, or you can work at Walmart. Cashiers in front end, stocker backroom and receiving employees, fulfillment and distribution warehouses, 15 to 19 bucks an hour. Walmart's online application takes about an hour to complete. So again, this is really simple. Stores will call prospective candidates for a pre-screen, and they may provide a verbal job offer by the end of the call. Online application takes 40 to 60 minutes. Interview. Walmart is currently conducting phone interviews to help speed up the hiring process. So Walmart is a little bit more lengthy. You do need to do an actual interview, it looks like. Offer of employment. And yeah, Walmart and Amazon aren't the only companies hiring. Kroger, CVS, Dollar General, Papa John's, 7-Eleven, and many more companies. Business Insider Bethany Byron has compiled a full list, which will be updated as more hiring announcements are made. Let's just check out the list really quick. 14 other essential businesses. Where's the list? Instacart, PepsiCo, Papa John's, CVS, 7-Eleven, Walmart, Walgreens, Domino's. Wow, this article sucks. I can't even scroll. Maybe that's all of them. Honestly, I am a little biased towards Amazon just because Amazon is Amazon. They're huge. I've heard they treat their employees really, really well. I haven't heard the same for Walmart, but you know, maybe you've heard otherwise. Take my opinion with a grain of salt. I honestly suggest doing Amazon, but yeah, again, that's just me. That's it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. I hope this did provide some value to you. If it did, please leave the video a big thumbs up. I would appreciate it. Talk to y'all soon. Make sure to subscribe. I will be updating as new jobs become available. Thank you all for watching. Bye.